Going to log into Dreamweaver. And up top here, notice you're going to have File, Edit, View, Insert, Tools, so on and so forth. So the first thing I want to do is I actually want to open up a new document. Before I do, I want to show you the View tab and the Window tab. When you start looking for things that you just can't find, click on the Window tab, and if there's no check mark on it, then it's not there. So one of the things you'll be looking for is files. Another thing might be properties. So the first thing we're going to do, though, is open up a new file. And we're just going to open up a plain file so I can show you these features. You can customize this environment to the way you want it, and I will show you how to do that in a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is show you the file. And it's just like any other system: new, open, open recent, close, so on and so forth. The things you're going to be needing the most, of course, are going to be new and open, save, save as, save all will save all of your open files, and you may have 5, 6, or 7 files open at one time. You'll see that later on. Save as template. We're going to create a template so that we can make a change on one page that will affect everything. Attach a style sheet. All of our formatting is going to be done in what's called CSS, cascading style sheets. So you'll see how to do that shortly. We don't need to worry about import and export right now. And we don't need to worry about print code. Page properties is something that you will want to set. If you click on page properties, all you want right now is the appearance, and we want to set the background color and the text. So the text we want as all zeros. And that is going to be black. And the actual color of the background, we want it to be white. There's different ways that you can do it. You can drag this up, or you can put in all F's over there. Hit the Enter key when you're done. You can leave everything else alone. We're going to be formatting in CSS anyway, but this will get you started off. So we're going to go to the Edit menu. And I want to go to Preferences. This is where you're going to set a lot of things over here. We're going to do a separate video just on Preferences. So the first thing in Edit is going to be basically the same thing: undo and redo. Undo is your friend. You make a mistake, you can undo it just by clicking undo. There's several ways to do that. Cut, copy, paste, and all these things are very similar to what you're used to. And if you want to insert a table, you can do that here. You want to insert an image, you can do that here. There's many different ways to do each and every one of these steps. View is very important as well, because you're going to be working strictly in 3 different views: code view, design view, or split view. There's also a live and a design view. The way you set that is right over here with this arrow, and you're either in live or design. It's easier, in my opinion, to code in design and then go to live to see what it looks like. So I'm going to click on design for right now. And you can see all the other things that we want. You'll see more of these things later on. The insert is your friend. All these things are at your disposal. We'll go over in each and every one of these things. Tools are also your friend. One of the things you'll be familiar with is cleanup HTML, cleanup Word HTML, spell check, you all know that. Library and templates, you'll learn all that, HTML and CSS. We'll be learning that as well. Find is very similar. Site is where you create and manage your sites. And window here, I want to show you something that's very, very powerful. It's the toolbars. What you want to make sure is to have all of these open: document, standard, and common. Right now, we don't have standard. I'm going to click on standard. And there is your open, your save, save as. We're not worrying about print, cut, copy, paste, undo, and redo. So Dreamweaver and Infamous Wisdom has docked it right on top of something. It sounds a little bit more difficult to dock than it really is. What you're going to be doing is looking for a little blue line or green line depending upon your settings. So click over here. Sometimes it'll work over here as well. If it doesn't work, go to the end here. And you want to drag it till you get a green or blue line. It's blue in my case. And now we have it. Same thing, you can do the Dreamweaver code design and split view settings if you want. You can also dock this to the side. All these things are available to change at your will. So now that we have it, I'm going to show you what we actually did. We clicked on code. You don't have to worry about the document type, but you do need to worry about all these things here. We're going to learn what each and every one of these things. Just remember, everything starts and stops with HTML. Anything that's in the head is not seen. Everything that's in the body is what you see. Now, when we did the BG color and the text, that came from the page properties. So I'm going to go over that another time to show you the advantages and disadvantages of doing this way. It really needs to be done through CSS. And that's all there is to this video. The next video I'm going to show is going to be on setting your preferences.